Welcome to a world where luxury knows no bounds, where every moment is a celebration of opulence and refinement. Today, we invite you to immerse yourself in the lavish lifestyle of United Kingdom, where grandeur meets sophistication, and the extraordinary is the norm. The United Kingdom, a land steeped in rich history, cultural grandeur, and a certain undeniable regality, offers a unique and unforgettable experience for those seeking a taste of the finer things in life. Here, luxury goes beyond mere indulgence. It's a carefully curated blend of tradition, impeccable service, and exquisite experiences. Living like royalty. Stately homes and country estates. Immerse yourself in history by residing in a grand country estate or a meticulously restored castle. Imagine waking up to sprawling manicured lawns, indulging in afternoon tea served on pristine china, and perhaps even exploring hidden gardens or attending private equestrian events. Prime central London living. For the urban sophisticate, London offers a plethora of options. Reside in a penthouse overlooking the River Thames, boasting breathtaking panoramic views. Explore the prestigious neighborhoods of Mayfair, Belgravia, or Kensington, where luxury boutiques and Michelin-starred restaurants line the streets. A feast for the senses. Culinary delights. The UK dining scene has undergone a renaissance in recent years. Savor innovative tasting menus crafted with seasonal, locally sourced ingredients at world-renowned establishments. For a truly decadent experience, consider hiring a private chef to prepare a bespoke meal in the comfort of your own residence. Afternoon tea extravaganza. No luxury experience in the UK is complete without indulging in the quintessential tradition of afternoon tea. Dainty finger sandwiches, freshly baked scones with clotted cream and jam, and a selection of exquisite teas served on tiered silver platters are a delightful way to spend an afternoon, savoring the arts and culture. From the world-class museums and galleries of London to the prestigious theatre scene of the West End, the UK offers a smorgasbord of cultural experiences. Enjoy private tours of renowned institutions, attend exclusive previews of exhibitions, or secure coveted box seats for the latest theatrical productions. Tailored experiences, bespoke shopping sprees. Forget crowded high streets. Luxury in the UK means personalized shopping experiences. Renowned tailors in Savile Row craft bespoke suits, while private appointments at prestigious fashion houses allow you to browse the latest collections with expert guidance. Country pursuits. Immerse yourself in the quintessential British countryside. Engage in a spot of falconry, learn the art of fly fishing on a private estate, or participate in a thrilling game of grouse shooting. Yachting adventures. Explore the stunning coastlines of the UK in style. Charter a luxurious yacht and cruise along the dramatic cliffs of Cornwall, discover hidden coves in the Scottish Highlands, or embark on an island-hopping adventure in the Isles of Scilly. Unwinding in grandeur. Luxury spas. Rejuvenate and pamper yourself at a world-class spa. Indulge in restorative treatments using the finest products, or simply relax in tranquil settings designed to promote complete wellness. Exclusive members clubs. Gain access to a world of privilege by joining an exclusive members club. Network with like-minded individuals, enjoy private events, or simply unwind in a refined and elegant atmosphere. Where to stay. To truly complete your luxurious experience in the UK, consider staying in one of these exceptional hotels. The landmark London. Steeped in Victorian grandeur, this iconic hotel offers unparalleled service and breathtaking views overlooking Regent's Park. Clifton House. A stunning National Trust property turned luxury hotel, Clifton House boasts opulent interiors, manicured gardens, and a rich history intertwined with British royalty. The Gleneagles Hotel. Nestled in the heart of the Scottish Highlands, this grand hotel offers a quintessential countryside retreat with world-class golfing facilities, Michelin-starred dining, and an array of outdoor pursuits. The United Kingdom beckons with a promise of unparalleled luxury, a unique blend of heritage, impeccable service, and unforgettable experiences designed to indulge your every desire. As we bid farewell to this journey through the luxury lifestyle of United Kingdom, we hope you've been inspired to indulge in the finer things in life. Don't forget to subscribe for more captivating content that takes you to the most luxurious destinations around the globe. Until next time, live luxuriously and embrace the extraordinary.